Good morning everyone. Saira, myself Sridevi Rao will be today taking writing skill, that is your composition part. We are going to write a letter. You know what is an informal letter, children? So today we'll start with letter writing. Okay. Now there are two types of letter. What are the two types of letter? One is your formal letter. Formal letter means the letters which is written to the government officials, business letters, letters to the editor of a newspaper, applications and invitations. This is called as formal letter. That means you are writing to a higher authority, okay, to the principal, to the government officials, business letters, all these we will write formal letters. Now we are going to learn today another type of letter, which is the informal letter. Today what we will write? We will write only not the formal letter. We are going to learn about informal letter. What is informal letter? Informal letter is written to someone you know, such as friends, family and relatives. So in this, it is not for business people, not for the as a editor of the newspaper, not for the principal. It is for your own relatives, family and friends. So this type of letter we are going to see how to write this letter. Which letter it is? It is informal letter. Okay. Now why should we write the letter? Why we write informal letter? You can ask, you can write this informal letter for at least for giving or asking advice. Suppose your friend is not able to concentrate in his studies. He is asking you some advice. You can give advice in this letter. Or you want to ask some advice from your uncle or cousin brother or your somebody else, your friends. So you can ask them advice and they will they will write it in the informal letter. And for second one is for asking or giving information. Suppose you want to ask about any information to your friends, you are asking about the date of the Olympiad exam or the date of your Homi Baba exam, some exam you want to ask, or you want to ask some information, or you want to give some information like this. You want to give an information about the written work given on in the class, or some information you want to give your friend who is absent. So you will write in this informal letter. And next one, for giving or asking opinion or suggestion. You want to ask some opinion to your uncle or brother who is in college. You want to ask him, okay, which subject is useful for you and what some opinion you want to ask, okay, and any according to the school, any suggestion, okay. If you want to give also suggestion, you can write in this informal letter. You can ask suggestion or opinion also, you can give through this informal letter. Inviting someone for an occasion. Suppose you have kept a birthday party at home. So you inviting someone, your friends, you want to invite your friend, or so you can write it in this informal letter. Or inviting someone for an occasion, you can write, suppose you have kept a puja at home, Ganesh puja holidays, you want to invite your friends, you can write it in this informal letter. Or you want to invite your uncle auntie who's in your village, you want to invite them for Ganesh holidays or your Diwali vacation, Diwali. So that time also you are inviting someone, that time you can write this informal letter. You want to congratulate somebody. Suppose your friend has got first rank in his class and you are very happy about it and you want to congratulate him or her. What you will do? You will write it in this in the form of informal letter, okay. And apologizing for someone something. Suppose you have done a mistake and you want to tell sorry, okay, and you can write it in the form of the informal letter. Now we'll see what all we saw. We saw about for occasions, for asking advice or giving advice, for inviting somebody, congratulating somebody, for asking excuse. All these we will write which letter? Informal letter. Now let us see what is the format, how you have to write the informal letter. Okay, this is the format for writing informal letter. If you have notebook with you, you can copy this format, and the sample letter which I am giving in this, you can write it down and keep, and you can learn it by heart. Now, how to write an informal letter? This is very useful, children. You should know how to write an informal letter. First, what you have to write? You have to write your address. Suppose you are writing a letter to your friend. First, what you will write? The sender's address. That means your address. If you don't know your own address, you can write any imaginary, any address you can write. Not compulsorily you have to write your own address. You can write any address. After the address, that should be written where? In the left side of your page. Okay, not on the right hand side corner. It should be in the left hand side of your notebook, of your paper, and below that you will write the date. Okay, so first you will write the address, then below that you will write the full date. I will explain how you will write the address, how you will write that date, everything I will explain now. Okay, first what you will write in the left hand side corner, you will write the address, your address. If suppose you are writing, then you will have to write your address. After that you will write date. Which date you will write? The date which you are writing the letter. Don't write last week's date or the next coming month's date. You should not write. You will write the date in which you are writing the letter. Full date you have to write with the month, year. I will show you how to write. Next, after that, you have to leave a line and write salutation. I will tell you what is salutation. That is, you'll write dear uncle, dear aunt. All this is called as salutation. You will write salutation. After that, next comes the body of the letter. Okay, body of the letter also. Everything you will not leave any finger space. You will start from the starting of the margin. Then comes the subscription. Subscription means yours lovingly. You will write at the end. That is your subscription. After that will come your name and class. Okay. So this is the format. How will you start with? You will write your address. Then after that you will write date. Then leave a line. You will write salutation. That is dear uncle, dear friend, dear Rahul, or any friend's name. That is your salutation. After that you will write the body of the letter. What you want to tell the person you are writing. Then you will write the subscription. What is subscription? Yours lovingly, yours affectionately, that you will write. Then after that your name and class, or else you can write even XYZ. Now I will show you how to write a letter, a sample letter we are going to see. Okay, let us see a sample letter. Before that, let me tell you some points for which is to be noted while writing the informal letter. Okay, we will see how to write an informal letter. We will see the points that should be noted down while writing the informal letter. First is the address must be complete and it should be written on the left side. I told you it should be complete address, which area, your flat number, and pin code, everything should be written, and Thane West or East, whatever it is, we have to write your full address, and it should be complete, because if you are going to post it or you are going to send it, they should know who it is. And it should be on which side? Left side of the page. The date should be written without fail. Okay, I told you the date should be written without fail. Which date? That is the day on which the letter is written, not any day. Suppose you are writing the letter on 20th of June. You will write 20 June 2020. Okay, so the day on which the letter is written, that date only you have to write. Okay, the third point is the salutation can be written as dear uncle or dear father, etc., using a capital letter for the person being addressed. Okay, you can either use dear uncle or dear father, and you okay, you have to use a capital letter for the person being addressed. Suppose you're writing to your uncle, you have to write U capital, uncle you have to, and D also capital. Okay, then after that the body will have an introduction, then next comes the body. After salutation you will have the body. The body will have an introduction, then the content, and at the end you will have the conclusion. Okay, the body will have what? First you will introduction. How are you? I hope all of you all are fine. That all is the introduction. Then the content. What you want to tell your friend or your uncle or your aunt or cousin brother. What you want to tell, that you have to write it in the content. And end also. Hope I, in conclusion, how will you conclude? I hope I meet you all soon. Hope you come to meet me. Anything you can write. That should be the conclusion. Okay. Now, the subscription should be written as yours affectionately or yours lovingly, because it is a informal letter. You will have to write yours affectionate because it is your family, your friends, somebody you know them very well. So you will not write obediently, that all you should not write. Okay, you should write yours affectionately or yours lovingly. Suppose you are writing to your mother or father, you can write your son or your daughter, you can write. And we should not use an apostrophe in yours. See here, yours affectionately. You should not write your and apostrophe s. That is wrong. So you should not use an apostrophe in yours. Many of you all will do this mistake. You will write your and apostrophe s. That is wrong. You will write yours affectionately or yours lovingly without an apostrophe. Understood, children? Okay. Now what I told you, the address should be complete. And then what did I tell? I told you to write the complete date. After that, the salutation you will write dear uncle. After that you will put a comma. Okay. Then leave a line. Then you will start with the body from the margin of the notebook. You will not leave any finger space. You will write the body. The body will have an introduction. Then you will have the content. Then the conclusion. After that you will write the subscription. What is subscription? You will write it as yours affectionately or you will write yours lovingly. You will not use an apostrophe in between your apostrophe s. That is wrong. Okay, you will not use apostrophe. Now shall we see a sample? Okay. Now write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift that he had sent you for your birthday. Okay, we are going to write a letter to your uncle. Now let us see how to write. First, you will write the date. See here, I have written here D/105 Ritu Estate, GB Road, Thane. You can write your own address or any address. You don't put comma in between. Okay. After estate, comma, GB Road, comma, no need of any comma. Then after writing this address, you will write the date. What is it today? Suppose I am writing it on 25th June. You will write 25th June, comma, 2020. No need to put a full stop after that. Okay. So I am expecting you all to copy this letter in your rough book or any book you have. You write it down. Okay, then you will write salutation. After writing the address and date, leave one line. Okay. After that you will write dear uncle, because we are writing the letter to uncle. So you will write dear uncle and you will put a comma after that. Then we will start from the margin of the page. You will not leave any finger space. Okay, this is the new pattern. According to the new pattern, you will not leave any finger space. Usually we used to leave, isn't it? 2 finger space we used to leave, and we used to start with the new paragraph. But here we have to start from near the margin. Okay, I received your gift and letter yesterday on my birthday. I was very much delighted with the watch you sent me. Uncle has sent you a watch. So you are thanking him. Okay. I thank you sincerely, and I shall be glad if you could come and stay with us when you get a leave. Okay, so this is the body of the letter. Now, the conclusion will be, my parents send you their love and best regards. Okay, then after that, you can write, that is your subscription, yours lovingly, and put a comma after yours lovingly. Don't put YOUR apostrophe S, that is wrong. So, you will write yours lovingly, comma, and you can write either your name and class, or you can write XYZ. Okay, so we saw the letter how to write. Shall we see once again? See here, first you will write what? You will write your address. Okay, either you can write your own address or any imaginary, you can write any address, your friend's address. If you know any address, you write that address, and after write, don't put any comma after that. Okay, after writing Thane West, Thane East, wherever you're, whatever you're writing, after that you will write the date. That was, everything should be in the left hand side corner. After writing which date, you will write the today's date, whichever date you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing on 20th June, you will write 20 June. If you are writing on 26th June, you will write 26th June 2020. After June, you will put a comma and you will write 2020. Then need not put any full stop. Then after that, leave a line. Then you will write, dear uncle. If you're writing a letter to the uncle, you will write uncle and put a comma. Okay. After that, you will start from the margin of the notebook. You will not leave any finger space. You will not leave two finger space, or you will start from the margin of the notebook. You will not leave line also. You will, after that, dear uncle, comma, next line you will write, I received your gift and letter yesterday on my birthday. I was very much delighted with the watch you sent me. I thank you sincerely, and I shall be glad if you could come and stay with us when you get a leave. Okay, this is the content is over. You are thanking your uncle. After that, what you will write, children? You will write the conclusion. My parents send you their love and best wishes. Okay, you are thanking your uncle. And here, this is the conclusion. Your parents are sending their love and regards. And that you are writing as the conclusion. After that, you will write yours lovingly or yours affectionately, and you will put a comma. That also not in the right hand side corner. Okay, we used to write it in the right hand side corner. This now you have to write it in the left hand side, in touching the margin only. Yours lovingly, and put a comma. Then you will write XYZ, or you can write your name. Okay, understood how to write the formal informal letter, children? Okay, now shall I revise how we have written? Okay, what is the format? Let us see the format once again. Okay, yes, this is the format. We'll see the format once again. What is the first part you will write? First thing, you will write your address. That is your send. You are writing the letter, so it is your sender's address. Okay, so sender's address you will write. Full address you have to write, where you are staying, which area, okay, road, which road, flat number, everything, whichever, whatever your address, full address is that you have to write. After writing the address, don't leave any line. You have to write the date. Okay, full date, the date when you are writing the letter, that date you have to write. You suppose it is May or June, any month, whichever date it is, you will write the month also as well as the year, whichever year it is. You will write the full date. After that, you will leave a line. You will write salutation. Salutation means dear uncle, dear Rahul, dear Rita, any friend, your name you are writing. After writing that, what you will do? You will put a comma after that. After salutation, after writing dear uncle, you will put a comma. Dear Rita, you will put a comma. Okay, then after that you will not leave any finger space. Next line you will write the content of the letter. That means you will start the writing. For what you are writing the letter, you will have the introduction part. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. And then you start for what you're writing the letter. Content should be there. After that you will write the conclusion part. Okay, hope I meet you all soon. Hope you come to meet me. Okay. Then I send my regards to uncle and auntie. That is the conclusion part. That also should be there. After that you will write the subscription. What is subscription? I told you, yours affectionately or yours lovingly you have to write, or your son, whatever your name is, your son Reena. Okay, your son, sorry, your son Rahul, or your daughter Reena. Like that also you can write. Okay, subscription is over. After that yours lovingly, comma, then you will write your the name and class. Either you can write name or your own name, or you can write it as XYZ. So children, you copy this format as well as the sample letter which I had given in this in your rough book, and learn it and keep. Okay, hope you all understood how to write the informal letter. Okay children, revise properly, write it and keep. Thank you. Sai Ram.